Meditation also helps you to unlock your inner genius. You see, creativity isn't just for artists. It's a vital part of solving problems and navigating all of life's challenges. Meditation helps you to tap into your inner creativity by quieting the mental noise that often gets in the way of new ideas. When your mind is calm and clear, inspiration flows more freely, leading to new solutions, ideas, and ultimately life satisfaction. The psychological benefits of meditation, like self-awareness. Meditation's a journey of self-discovery. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, which ultimately leads to greater understanding of who you are and how you work. As you explore the depths of your mind, you'll discover new insights about yourself, and you'll find that this self-awareness empowers you to make positive changes in your life. Meditation helps to break negative thought patterns. Negative thoughts can be like chains, holding you back from living your best life. Meditation helps you break free from these patterns by teaching you to observe thoughts without getting caught up in them. Over time, you'll find your mind becomes a more positive, supportive place, helping you approach life with optimism and confidence. Meditation will improve your emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions as well as the emotions of others. Meditation helps you develop this skill, making it easier to navigate relationships and social situations. As your emotional intelligence grows, you'll find that you're better able to connect with others and build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Last but not least, the spiritual benefits of meditation.